There's been a report by the FDA, the Food and Drugs Authority Ghana, that certain foods that we consume in our country have been highly contaminated by lead and mercury. When I saw the news, it was disheartening. And it's sad that we have gotten to a point where foods that are supposed to heal us could actually cause harm to our bodies. In this video, I am going to share with you all how you can grow turmeric at home. You can grow it in a container. If you have a backyard garden, you can grow them there. You literally don't have to buy seedlings. All you need is fresh turmerics that you probably already have in your kitchen or in your storeroom, and you can easily grow this for abundance of turmeric. I would show you a step-by-step process on how to easily get this done. That way you will not have to buy turmeric from the open market. My name is Weber Dua. I live in Ghana and I make videos of our backyard garden. You probably have some turmeric right now sitting on your kitchen shelf, in your storeroom, wherever, and some of them are shooting out and you don't even know what to do with them. These are turmeric plants that we have grown ourselves in our backyard garden. We have a plant here. We have a couple of turmeric plants here as well, and a few younger ones on that bed. Now, to grow turmerics, it is a very simple process. In our case, we had some turmerics in our home, in our storeroom, and after a couple of weeks we noticed that some of these turmeric plants started shooting out, like they were shooting out these new buds on the plants. Them out of our storeroom, soak them in water for a couple of days. That allowed the shoots to be more defined and a little greener. And then we cut off the part where the shoot was coming from. We just used a knife to cut off the part where the shoot was coming from, and then we buried it in soil. We just fetched regular soil from our backyard garden. We didn't use any special kind of soil to do this. We just fetched regular soil from our backyard garden, filled them up in these cups, then we planted the turmeric. All we did after that was water them. We did not add fertilizer, we did not add compost, we did not add manure. All we did was water, and they grew into this beautiful turmeric seedlings. And these are the ones that we have transplanted at our backyard. Now let me show you something. You may think that these are just green plants and probably there's nothing growing down there, but I'm going to dig one of the turmeric plants for you to see that they are actually growing and forming turmerics. Sammy, you can come close. I even wanted to dig one of these ones out and see. Yes, look at this. This is turmeric growing right here. Assuming I wanted to make turmeric tea or a smoothie or a turmeric juice, I wouldn't have to go to the market. All I have to do is come out here and then dig out a couple of the roots. Look at this. I'll just have to dig out what I need and leave the plant, and it continues growing. You don't have to dig out the whole thing. That's one other good thing about turmerics. Look at this. This is fresh turmeric in our backyard garden. And funny enough, they are low maintenance plants. You don't have to do too much for them to grow. So if I want to make juice, smoothie, if I want to have a turmeric tea, or I'm baking and I just want to have this, look at this. Isn't this? It smells good. It smells very refreshing and nice. How good is this? If you can do this at home, and it's a low maintenance plant. Turmeric is a low maintenance plant. You don't have to do too much. It's not like the other plants or greens where you have to keep an eye on them every single day or all the time. These are low. And interestingly, when you grow them at one spot and you even harvest, there will be some tiny roots, and then there will be some tiny roots that will stay in the soil, and over time they start growing on their own. It's like a cycle. This particular plant was not even from the seedlings we nest. This was a plant from last year. We planted some turmeric last year, and I think probably a root that stayed alive just grew on its own. The ones over there are the ones we planted this year, we nest and planted. This one on its own. There's another one at the other side of the garden which also germinated on its own. So if you're watching this video and you've been wondering if it's very difficult to grow turmerics or roots, here is your proof. It's one of the easiest things to grow, same as ginger. So if you want to garnish your meal or do anything, you don't have to go to the market. You just have to come to your backyard garden, get your fingers dirty, dig up some few ones, and you're good to go. So I hope this video motivates someone to start something small at their backyard. I will definitely try to make more videos of plants that you can easily grow at your backyard. But today we are talking about one of my favorites, which is turmeric. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video motivates you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.